Hi and welcome. Salam namaste ne maja. Maja bole to Renish is back from his trip. It was a 9 day Bangalore, Kanyakumari and overall, I don't know, the whole south coast, some stretch he did. Let's go and endure our Pune.
So this is after touchdown. I reached Pune at night. Please come from Bangalore. Now we are going to go and explore a mall. Let's see what we find there.
और ये चल पड़ी हमारी सवारी. So we are going to something that is called as Copa Mall. It is one of the Pune's newest premium lifestyle destinations located near Koregaon Park. Opened in 2023. The mall has quickly become popular for its luxury shopping, stylish spaces, cafes, cinemas, experience, and vibrant social atmosphere. ये हमारा मुंडवा का सिग्नल है. I was just admiring what a change.
Yeah, even I want to write some of my channel. We have entered Copa Mall. Let's see what we find. It's called one of the A-class mall here. This is from the parking we go. Have you been here before? Okay, let's see. We'll explore what happens here. There's a security check first we have to go through. Morning, Sarjit. After security, let's see.
Since it was April, it was very hot, so you have to take your brother's shirt. मैंने तो उसका चोरी किया था गर्मी से बचने के लिए और टैन होने से. बस फिर ये हमने मारा एंट्री मॉल में. This mall is situated on Mundwa Road near Koregaon Park Annex and is known for its modern architecture and upscale vibe. It houses international and premium brands including fashion watches, lifestyle stores, cafes. Let's explore.
Yeah, I didn't know. We have in Dubai, right? You wanna have your cheesecake?
So you see our excitement looking at Paul's. I remember we had pistachio cheesecake. It was so good. So Copa Mall has the pop-up and then I devised that they have got a dining restaurant as well. So this is ground floor and I'm just showing you the whole view. It's a beautiful one, Shanti, calm, serene. And this we booked a table at Paul. तब तक मेरा waiting है तो चलो कुछ explore किया जाए. So this is the patisserie that I apparently explored and it's beautiful. Their things are really nice. So as you see, there are tarts, cheesecake. I think I bought croissant as well. It was beautiful. तो ये एक्सप्लोर करने के बाद a little bit view आप ले रहे हो तब तक let me give you idea. इनके पास पिज्जा एक्सप्रेस है for Italian food, Apple Koregaon Park, as you saw the store I showed you. ये द विलेज में अपन अभी एंट्री मारेंगे. Then Dulali tap room they have, luxury watch boutiques, many things, apparently that you can explore here. The place is especially popular among young professionals, vloggers, and many more people.
This is the other side of the second floor. Now we are going on the third one. So we have Aldo. It's all A-class brands it's known for. Let's see what we get further upstairs as we unveil. I see Hamleys. So if you have kids, you want to buy soft toys, you can enjoy here. It's a big, big joint I can see. Look at it. It's still there. Right from here. And then there's Frido. We'll check Frido's neck pillows. This says the village. So you want to buy books, you'll get it at Crossword. There's this the village. There's Sudin. I think you can sew something. If in case Crocs, then you have Adidas Kids and Handleys as I showed you. The other side, when we explore, I'll take you there.
ये थोड़ा सा picture time and we enter the village. The Village is Copa Mall's open air dining and nightlife section. It is designed like a European style plaza with outdoor restaurants, rooftop lounges, cafes, and bars. It is popular for evening dining dates and social hangouts. Both must जगह है. मतलब it was so mesmerizing. ऐसा लग रहा था you're literally in some different country here. And this I'm trying to explain him. Can you click proper picture? I don't know how he's a vlogger. When it's time for me, he just loses it. Anyways, let's go ahead. Let me tell you one funny thing, okay? While I was doing chat, our AI friend, it says some Pune Reddit discussions also mention traffic congestion around the area and online dating scams happening nearby bars. It's not officially inside the mall itself. This is the safest place, in fact, there that you can visit. Then it was time that we were supposed to enter at the ball. So this is all the patisserie in the dining hall. We finished, I explored everything, got seated. I think they were not interested in serving. We were waiting for like 15-20 मिनट हो गया था हमको रुक रुक के. बोला चलो मैं तब तक एम्बियंस लेती, टेबल लेती, यहाँ तक कि मैंने मेन्यू भी शूट किया, सब कुछ शूट किया, बट कोई आया ही नहीं. फिर फाइनली पता नहीं वन ऑफ द हेड वन केम एंड ही गेव अस द मेन्यू. So service is little slow if you come to this Paul. We ate this pizza, some juice, and evening we left for vagabonding.
When you enter MG Road, you'll see all these things. That is Dadu's, one of the best sweets. This is George Restaurant. We are going to eat a kati kebab. So this kati kebab is something where I know Kapila is most famous from Dolepatru Road, but if you see now the place that I'm guiding you to is one of the best places that you can eat. So we're going to explore two places. I'll take you to both the places, and then accordingly, I'm not sure if I'll be able to rate, but yes, we can try to understand who is better, and I'll keep you posted about sale. So when you come to George, if you see as we are passing, you keep going straight towards Kayani Bakery. I know there's a lot of traffic, but when we come to the side still, I will show you. So you'll keep straight on this road and I'll show you this Kayani Bakery, the most famous. This is quality and this is the Kayani Bakery, the most famous. Keep going straight as you keep going straight to this side. Alright, yeah, so we are going to take left. Once we take the left is where I'll show you. It's a very small place but amazing place that you can eat here. Now we'll take left. He's closed today. Okay, so this is the place generally he sits. Today he's not there. Maybe next time when I come I'll show you. So we have headed to Olympia and then we'll see. So he's a very famous one, but today he's not available. We'll try Olympia and I'll keep you posted about the same. So finally, after being disheartened, I was like, chalo Olympia chalte hai. But this guy is really good. I hope next time I get him. So again, coming to the main heart of the MG Road, just adjacent to Kayani Bakery is Olympia. Yaka Kati Kebab Khaya. Look at the way it's so busy station. ये काटी के rolls तले जा रहे. He's frying in the oil, putting eggs and all. But they've kept few prepared. I was lucky enough where वो मसाला गरम किया और फिर filling किया कांदा. Look at the amount of onions they use. God, it's next level. So I'm sure you have enjoyed this, and this is how the evenings in India are. Like I told you, I'll take you through. So do stay tuned for next what I do. So please don't forget to like, share, and if you're interested in eating more food, don't forget to subscribe so that you keep getting notification. So you saw what he did is for vegetarian people, the version paneer, and then he puts it in this egg chapati or simple roll. This uncle gives chutney. I was just drooling. Do keep me drool with your subscriptions as well. See you another time. Till then, take care. Thank you.